Today we are going to do crafts and cooking. This craft we are going to do like little pictures that is so simple and easy. First, you need a nice big base. I picked clear, and you need some different color paints, a credit card, and some paper towels, and a stick to stove, and some shaving cream. My helping hand helped me some shaving cream. So I'm gonna get started, and I'm gonna be doing this. Okay, now you are gonna take whichever color. First I'm gonna do one of 3 sticks. Skewer sticks. Because it's, come on. Do it everywhere, clean the sides. Back, forth. Okay, now I'm going to take my skewer stick and just go back and forth. Don't mix it too much. If you don't think it's enough, then you can add more of the color. Remember, use shaving cream. This is not edible. Just so you know. If there are little kids who are watching this video, make sure do not eat shaving cream, because that's what's going to be in it. And now we need a piece of paper. Put it down, pat it lightly. A bit, then lift it up carefully. And now scrape this. Guys, if you think it's a work of art, it is. I'm not lying. It is. Look at this. It's a work of art. I think I'm gonna hang this up in my room to her. And I'm gonna make 2 more. Okay. When you think it's enough, now it is time to decorate. Now let's take a clean stick and do the same thing. Now let's take a clean piece of paper. Pat, pat, pat. Take corners. We know it's all creamy. You don't want that. So let's start scraping. This is actually the fun part to me. And now it's time for the last part, the finale. I'm gonna add some purple, sky blue. This sky blue looks like you just literally took some of the sky out. That's why it's called sky blue. I'm gonna add some green, and I think that's it. I don't want it to turn brown. Now let's put the paper down. Yeah. Wow. That's why I want to color the finale. Just get crazy. But don't make it brown, please. Make it nice and lovely. It's okay to get messy. The whole time you make this, you get messy, which is alright. You can wash your hands at the end. Just wash this when you're done. Ta-da! All of this work and crafting made me hungry. Let's go to the kitchen and bake. Come on. Welcome back to Cici's Cooking and Crafts. You know, earlier we were over there making our craft. And now we are in the kitchen making some banana smoothies. Make sure you wash your hands because you're going to be grabbing into here in the bag and stuff. So what you need is a bag of bananas being closed. It doesn't have to be in the bag. Some milk, chocolate, and peanut butter, a spoon, and a blender, and a lid. But you don't have to use these two ingredients. You could use like fruits, frozen fruits. But I just like that. Okay, so let's get going. I first peeled these bananas, then I put them in the freezer. So let's put these bananas in here. Don't go past like here. Don't go past the slime. I think that's enough. My helping hands are going to take it away. And let's fill it up with some milk. Okay, this is good. And now I'm going to get some chocolate chips. They're humongous. I like extra chocolate. Oops. I think that's enough. Now let's take a scoop of peanut butter. You can use as much of chocolate and peanut butter as you like. But I don't really like peanut butter, so I'm just going to do 2 scoops. That's enough. Now, let's take the lid. And you might need an adult to help you. My helping hands are helping me. Okay. let's turn the power button on and this. This is good. Enough. Now let's turn this off. I might need my helping hands again. That is good. I hope you like this day of blending colors of this art pictures that we made of art and bananas. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Kalamoo. Let's go! I hope you like these pictures that I can help. Hey! Let me go catch Scott.